Here are my top 3 tips on how you can start training like a professional fighter today. Number 1, train every single day to master and then to maintain all the basic fundamental movements offensively and defensively, which means you got to put 30 to 50,000 reps per movement. I'm talking everything from the footwork to the punches to the defense. Each individual movement has to be perfected and mastered through those thousands of repetitions. And guess what? Once you get it down right, then you still got to do it to maintain it, because if you don't maintain it, your skill set starts to decline again. So like they say, amateurs train so they get it right, professionals train so they can't get it wrong. Stay on top of your game. Number 2, tactics and strategy. Once you've mastered the basics, this is where you and a partner, preferably somebody with equal or more experience, will rehearse choreographed drills that will emulate real life scenarios. And you're gonna do these yet again thousands of times until they're in your muscle memory and you have them preset. Once you have them in your muscle memory, it cuts your reaction time in half. And that's what separates the pros from the beginners, because the beginners got to always think about new ways to do things, as to where the pros already have preset reactions and responses to different scenarios. And the guys that already have those down pat are always going to dominate. Number 3, pick the right fighting weight for you and learn how to maintain it. Most elite fighters, whether amateur or professional, walk around at about 8 to 10% body fat, and they maintain that through proper diet and nutrition, which I'll go into in another video a little bit more, and daily PT and road work. And the whole point of this is to maintain peak athleticism, so that translates into the ring and you get the most out of all those skills and all those fundamentals that you've been developing. Because if you're not in shape, all the skills in the world can't save you. Eventually you're going to run out of gas and your opponent is going to take over. So maintaining peak athleticism by maintaining a low body fat percentage is essential to being on top of your A game. So these are my top 3 essential non-negotiable keys to maintaining a solid foundation, so that when you go into the ring or the octagon, you show up the best version of yourself. Hope you found this informative. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Go check me out on Instagram at coach.v_. Online courses out now. Link is in the description. Till the next time, we out of here. Out.